Welcome. I'm Tom Marks with the Marks Law Firm. I'm here today with MaKenna Wyatt. Say hi, MaKenna.
Hello.
We're going to talk today about initial consultations with the Marks Law Firm, and MaKenna has a unique perspective as a former client of the firm, but she is also what I call affectionately our DOFI, which is our Director of First Impressions. Some other law firms might call her the receptionist, but we here at the Marks Law Firm think it's so important that her position, because she's the first voice, the first face that anyone sees or hears when they come into the firm. So she is, in a sense, the voice, the face of the Marks Law Firm. So MaKenna, as a former client, you went through an initial consult.
I did.
And so what were some of the things going through your mind leading up to the initial consult before it actually started?
I think it's a really scary thing to have to call an attorney in a situation with a divorce or something with small children going on, and I was definitely scared. The first time I called, I went to a few other attorneys before I came here. And immediately when I came here, I felt comfortable. I felt like I was being listened to, and that was something that was really important to me. I remember when I spoke with the receptionist to make the appointment, they answered all my questions as best as they could. They made me feel comfortable before going into the consultation, and I felt as though I had a pretty good view of the firm coming in to the actual consultation, and I was just excited to meet with you.
Okay.
And get going.
Well, good. So tell us when the actual consultation took place. How did you feel? How? Obviously, I was there, but from your perspective as a client, what did you think?
I was nervous, but I always tell clients now to think of it as a conversation. Don't go into it being nervous, even though you will be, but it really is just a conversation. And all of the attorneys here are great listeners, and they truly care about what's going on, and they want you to feel as though at the end of the consultation, you have a good view of what you can do moving forward. And I felt as though you made jokes with me, you made me feel comfortable, and I think all of the attorneys here would do that.
Good.
But that really is, it is just a conversation. I always recommend bring notes, like bring a notepad and have questions, because it goes by really fast, but you do get a lot out of it.
Okay, good. Well, that's one of the things we do here at the Marks Law Firm is we try to let the client talk first, because so often attorneys think they know all the answers, but really what's important to us is what is it that you want to accomplish? What is important to you? So Stephen Covey, one of my favorite authors, says, seek first to understand and then to be understood. So we try to seek first to understand what is it that the client wants to try to accomplish, and then use our legal experience and knowledge to fashion solutions. Another thing that is important to me is another one of my favorite authors is John Maxwell. I do like to read. So he says that people don't care how much you know until they know how much you care. And so I think it's important to let the client know that we really do care about their situation. We have very skilled attorneys here, and we don't take just any client that walks in the door. We want to make sure we're a good fit with the client, because the way we look at it is the client is a part of the team. They know the facts. You've lived it. You know, and honestly, you will always know the situation better than the lawyer. The lawyer may know the law better. Hopefully we do. But we put that together as a really high performance team with you as part of it, the client, who is the fact person who knows that. And then we put the law together with that. And also we obviously have a team of paralegals and legal assistants.